Now all of you, please come over to page number 57 in your book. Read the question under the topic Check Your Understanding. The question says, identify the name of variables which are invalid and point the reason to. So these are the 5 variables which are my salary, toPhone, my class, EMP name and class. Now as per the question, we have to identify the list of variables, okay, which are invalid out of these 5 options. Now see, the first variable, it's my salary. Now my salary is invalid because there exists a space between the words my and salary. Now it has been said that under the variable naming conventions, a variable name must not contain any embedded space in between. So this variable name, as it contains an embedded space between the words my and salary, so this is invalid. Then come below, see the next variable, toPhone. This variable is also invalid. This variable is invalid because it starts with a digit and the digit is 2. But as per the variable naming conventions, a variable must always start with a letter which can be from A to Z or a dollar symbol or an underscore. Since the digit 2, okay, does not fall in this category of A to Z, or it's not the dollar sign or the underscore symbol, so this variable is not acceptable. A variable shouldn't start with a digit. Now look at the next variable, my class. This variable starts with a letter M, okay, and there is no embedded space in between, so this is acceptable. Then come below, this variable EMP name is also acceptable because there are no embedded space in between, and as well as it starts with a letter called E. Then see the last one, the variable name is class. Now the class is a data type, okay. The class is a user defined data type, and since it's a data type, it's a keyword. Now as per the variable naming conventions, Java keywords cannot be used as a variable name. So as class is a Java keyword, it cannot be used as a variable name. So this is invalid. Now if I am to identify the name of variables which are invalid, okay, the first one, that is my salary, as it contains embedded space between the words my and salary, is invalid. The second one, toPhone, is invalid as it starts with a digit called 2. And the last one, class, is invalid because it's a keyword in Java. So these are the 3 possible options which are invalid in the list.